everybody, this is Cricket coming to you today with a quick sticker haul, or actually I should say bow haul. This is from Lizzy Beth bows. I am totally in love. This is the packaging that it came in. How cute is that? Love it. And then I got this cute little bag of goodies. Had some candy in it. I love this bag too, by the way. And it had like a free gift for you from Berry Sweet Plans. Very cute little bow. And then a freebie from Lizzy Beth bows as well. How cute. And then it had her card in it. And then Benjamin Crafts Handmade Goods. And then my little candy. And then it had the envelope full of freebies. It says, thank you so much for your support. And this Plan and Go, I actually PR for this company. PaperFocusCom, PaperFocusCo.com, Happy Mail, Monday, Binge Watch. How cute is that? And then Slow Planning, Love, Full Box and Laundry. And then this one is from MP Designs Co. I've actually ordered from almost every single one of these companies. How cool is that? So those are the freebies. And then I ordered, came in this cute little box with some washi. I ordered the Give Thanks clip. Very cute. Love it. And then I'm excited because I got the black one. But then I got the purple glitter bat clip. How beautiful is that? See if I can get it. It's adorable. I cannot wait to use this for Halloween. Cute. Very cute. Okay, so that's what I got from Lizzy Beth bows. Let me push this over real quick. And then I wanted to show you something that a friend of mine, a fellow PR girl, Lynette, sent to me. It is the most adorable washi ever. And she sent it to me on this beautiful little tag. But I wanted to open it up. Let's see. Just so you could see how adorable it truly is. And I am in love with Hocus Pocus, and she knew that, and she had some of the washi. So she gave me just a little sample of it. But look how cute. Is that not the most adorable washi ever? And I have a Hocus Pocus kit, so I cannot wait to use this with it. So thank you, Miss Lynette. I appreciate it. It is so cute. Okay, so that was just like a little quick one from Lizzy Beth bows. I just wanted to kind of show you. And then this beautiful washi that Lynette gave me. So here's my freebies. Here is my beautiful bow and my Give Thanks clip as well. I hope that you guys will come check me out again. Go check out this company. And thank you, Lynette, again. And I will catch y'all later. Bye-bye.